Fell off. See it? Yeah, well, I'm gonna get a new one up. Alright, so this is the old military stove. I've had it for about 3-4 years. It has actually worked really well. When you get a fire going in here, this place is plenty hot. It just doesn't last very long. This tape falls off after a while, and I've had some leakage a little bit, but this has all been sealed pretty well. I've done a lot of hot fires in here, so it's starting to get a little worn out. So I'm looking forward to put the bigger one in here. I just don't know how I'm going to do the upstairs. So I definitely won't get it in on this trip, but I could have a better idea when I come back the second time to get it going. And so I'd love to have it today, but I don't think I'll get it going. But you never know. Maybe I will. Open there for a little bit. Get my boots. Texting my wife, telling her I'm getting there. Alright, so I'm going to clean all this out, move everything. This is just going to be a mess. So, I don't want the wood outside because it is snowing. Down. It was good stovepipe for sure. I can still use it. Nice heavy duty stovepipe. Kind of sad the old thing's going to go away. That's what kind of got me able to do what I can do. If it wasn't for that thing, I don't think I would have ever been camping out here. The stove. Oh, cabin out here. So, question is, I keep these old tiles in here. Because I don't know if it matters. They're going to be covered up. So I might as well just keep them. I'm going to do what I say I'm going to do. I never really grounded it like I should have. So now it just gets dirt everywhere. Again, like I don't know what I'm doing. That was my first throw it in. It didn't work very well. And I learned from my mistakes. Look at all that dirt. Now I have grout. I can grout it. I think I have time. That's on the far edge, so that's kind of lined up. It needs to go about right there. I can't go too much more to the right, but I don't think I need to. I've got some wiggle room up there, definitely. Alright, so that's there. It's a little far forward more than I wanted. But I could tile all the bottom. Then I build it up to here. Tile all that. Underneath becomes the fire, or the wood, firewood. Instead of using it all back in here, I can make 3 slots. One here, one in the middle, and one in the corner. And then that's built up to here. Then I could bring out a little, maybe a stove. I don't know how hot it'll get. With that being to about right here. So this is fun. I like this part. Getting this in here, I never thought I'd get this far. That's kind of where it's at. Kind of see where this plays out. That will tell you how high I can go. So that's where I'm at. I like to put it even more to the right here. I don't think that's where it's going to come down. I think the pipe is going to come down right there. online and kind of find out. So, I'm making a huge mess, but I'd rather be inside than outside on the roof in the wind. And so, this is what I'm doing. That's the old one. That's the new one. I've got 2 more, but I'll get a double. And finding the double has not been easy. And then this will go right in there. And then I'm going to put another layer of metal around here. So, and then I'll have a double wall going through the roof and a shield right here. And we should be good. Oh, look at that. People are rock retreat. Why the rock? Andelin Johnson was here. You're in trouble now, Andelin. Marking up my cabin. That could be dangerous. That's a little hot right there. But that's my project. I think I can get it temporarily set up. The hard part is going to be the sleeve outside. I can set up, I think I can get high enough. The ladder, I can go this way instead of trying to reach over. But I'm going to get that as smooth as I can. Alright, so here's my shield. I'll put this here. I'll continue to do a piece all along here just to be safe. Pipe is going to go about right here, and I'll put a pipe through that. Now I'll get the double walled, but I'm going to see just how hot it gets. This is all just temporary. But if I have a double wall from here on out, then I'll have another piece. I can even go higher, and higher the better. Then I can really anchor it down when I get here next time. That's kind of how it's looking. I just used some sheet and cut it and screwed it to the side there, and it's going out. So it's really big, the sleeve, but it's actually not as big as I thought it. So it just looks nice and heavy duty. Might take some work to actually get it sealed here next time we come out. But, all right, we're making progress. All right, so here is. Got it in. It's in there pretty good. The top is not how it needs to be. We'll try the first light here. I don't really have a lot of little stuff. But we'll see what we can do. I might have to cheat a little bit. And, she's going. Pretty good. Alright, so we barely made it to the van. It was what, 100 yards, if that? Maybe 50 yards, and we almost couldn't find the van. Okay. And we almost lost Will, like literally you can't see 10 feet in front of you.
I'll use like this, like
so now we're setting up to go back to the hotel and
bag.
survive.
So get the book bag.
Ready? Alright, go. Net.
How do I get out?
Go. Just go out Will's side. Oh, I need to. Got the key. Get it open. Get it open. Get that one? Alright, shut it. Don't need hard. We shut it. Are you here? Right, here's the walkway. Try to get out.